Yo, what is up? It is your boy No Sabo Kid. Today I'm gonna make I'm thinking a Ghostemane type beat.
All these punk motherfuckers don't know.
I was scrolling through Random Lab. I don't really use that much, but it's called Belltone 1 and it sounds like this. And I think we could get some crazy shit out of it, so let's just hop right on that shit. Let's get that shit. We're just gonna copy and paste this shit over. Control B. I like how the pattern sounds. We're just gonna change the root note. Bring it down 4. You know, we're gonna make it sound a little weirder. We're gonna put some Portal on it. Holy f, there's a fucking plane. We're just putting everything on this shit. Do we need another sound? Let's find out. Dun, 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 dun. Boom, boom, boom. I think this is good. Let's get it. We want to put a compressor because we want to keep it a little closer together. Just gonna go with the LA2A because what should we name this? Scary old book names. John B. Oh, where's your name? Mythos 125 PM at Osabo. Nexus, we're fucking there's Halloween. Yes. Do that. So we know that shit goes on D. Just a little tap. Right here we got the Ashes and Echoes drum kit. Ashes and Echoes drum kit, you know what I'm saying? It's good. We're gonna drop my put on master preset. It helps me mix, get a better mix. And we're gonna start with always the hi-hats. Yeah, third. G2, okay. G. Oh! We might need it to knock, buddy. Do we add a kick? Okay, everyone. We mixed it, we arranged it. We made some Ghostemane type shit. I made it using my drum kit again, the Ashes and Echoes drum kit.
All these punk motherfuckers don't know.
I was in a little rut. I couldn't make beats. Filmed 3 videos yesterday, all fucking butt cheeks. But now we do have a beat, and yeah. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you are still watching. I really do appreciate it. And let me know if you want me to make different type of beats that aren't like suicideboys G59 type shit, like some Lil Uzi shit, some Future shit. You know what I'm saying? Some Lil Baby. Because I dabble. Again, thank you very much and have a good one.